bistro. First, for Taco Tuesday. First, I took 3 avocados, I cut them up, and I mashed them. And you need 3 avocados, salt, pepper, lemon, a half a lemon, or you can use more, whatever you like, and tortilla chips, and you can top it with some tomatoes. So first I took 3 avocados, and I mashed them up here in the bowl, and I'm gonna use the salt and pepper right now. And a little pepper. I like to do 1.5 cracks of pepper because I'm not a huge fan of it, but that's good. Now we get our lemon juicer, and we get our lemon, and we put it right in the hole, and we squeeze it, all that good juice. That was good. Oh wow. And yep. And now we stir that up. And now we're done. So I'm gonna try it. Wow, that is amazing. So if you make this, you can have like any amount of avocados. I just used 3 because we have 3 people in our family, but this this guacamole is very, very good. So drop a comment down below if you like this after you make it, and we'll have more videos coming soon. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and